How to frame word problems on multiplication. We have already learned how to write a word problem for the given number sentence in the previous class. There may be different word problems for a single sentence. It all depends upon how you look at it. For example, for the number sentence 4912 into 1075 is equal to question mark, we can write the following word problems. Find the product of 4912 and 1075. 4912 buttons can be packed in one packet. How many buttons can be packed in 1075 such packets? How to estimate products? Look at the following examples. Example 1. Estimate the product of 373 and 228 by rounding off to the nearest hundredth. Solution. Rounding off the given numbers to the nearest hundredth. 373 is rounded off to 400. 228 is rounded off to 200. Estimated product is equal to 400 into 200 is equal to 80,000. Example 2. Estimate the product of 348 and 666 by rounding off the first number up and the second number down to the hundredths place. Solution. Rounding off the numbers as per the condition given in question, we get 348 is rounded off to 400. 666 is rounded off to 600. Estimated product is equal to 400 into 600 is equal to 2,40,000. Note, rounding off a number up to the hundredth, tens place implies rounding the given number to the multiple of hundredth, tens greater than the given number, and not to the nearest hundredth, tens. Rounding off a number down to the hundredth, tens place implies rounding the given number to the multiple of hundredth, tens smaller than the given number, and not to the nearest hundredth, tens. Division. In a division sum, the number which divides is called the divisor. The number that is divided is called the dividend. The number of times the divisor is contained in the dividend is called the quotient. The leftover number is called the remainder. The above four terms are related to one another as under. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. In the previous class, we have learned division of a 4-digit and a 5-digit number by a 1-digit and a 2-digit number. In this class, we shall learn division of a large number by a 2-digit and a 3-digit number. Division of large numbers by 2 and 3-digit numbers. Example 1. Divide 3,25,630 by 43. Solution. We have explanation. Step 1. Here the divisor is a 2-digit number. So consider the number formed by two extreme left digits of the dividend. It is 32. But 32 is less than 43. So take the number formed by three leftmost digits of the dividend. It is 325. Let us see how many times 43 is contained in 325. 43 into 7 is equal to 301 and 43 into 8 is equal to 344. Clearly, 301 is less than 325 and 344 is greater than 325. So, 43 is contained 7 times in 325. Write 7 in the quotient just above 5 as shown in the solution. Write 301 below 325 and subtract. 325 minus 301 is equal to 24. Step 2. Bring down the next digit, that is 6 from the dividend to make 246. Now, 43 into 5 is equal to 215 and 43 into 6 is equal to 258. Clearly, 215 is less than 246 and 258 is greater than 246. So, 43 is contained 5 times in 246. Write 5 in the quotient just next to 7 as shown in the solution. Write 215 below 246 and subtract. 246 minus 215 is equal to 31. Step 3. Bring down the next digit, that is 3, from the dividend to make 313. Now, 43 into 7 is equal to 301 and 43 into 8 is equal to 344. Clearly, 301 is less than 313 and 344 is greater than 313. So, 43 is contained 7 times in 313. Write 7 in the quotient just next to 5 as shown in the solution. Write 301 below 313 and subtract. 313 minus 301 is equal to 12. Step 4. Bring down the next digit, that is 0, from the dividend to make 120. Now 43 into 2 is equal to 86 and 43 into 3 is equal to 129. Clearly, 86 is less than 120 and 129 is greater than 120. So, 43 is contained 2 times in 120. Write 2 in the quotient just next to 7 as shown in the solution. Write 86 below 120 and subtract. 120 minus 86 is equal to 34. Thus, quotient is equal to 7572 and remainder is equal to 34. Example 2. Divide 6 crore 23 lakh 29,548 by 234. Solution.